Hi Shankar, thanks for coming to our channel and you are ready to share your Wings One digital journey. And first of all, I would like to congratulate you because you have cleared Wings One digital in the previous cycle.
Yeah, hi Nasir. Good morning.
Hmm.
Yeah, thank you so much for
Yeah.
congratulating.
Hmm. So, okay. So first of all, briefly explain about yourself and then we can go to the other topics.
Yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I have joined TCS as a lateral hire.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, my first company was Infosys.
Okay.
Yeah, I was currently working in TCS Sirusiri at Chennai.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the moment I joined TCS, I don't know there is something like wings as well in lateral hire, no? So I
Mm-hmm.
don't know there is something like wings and all.
Mm.
But slowly, some people were discussing in office. I came to know there is something like wings.
Mm.
Then I generally registered for it to see
Okay.
what it is. Then
Mm-hmm.
while registering, I was shocked that the technology which I was working was already there.
Mm-hmm.
That is selenium is
Mm.
already there. So I
Okay.
directly registered for it and appeared for exam.
Okay.
Yeah, but I didn't even prepare anything and I directly went for an exam.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, from then after going to exam, like we will be facing some difficulties, right, while
Yes.
writing the exam.
Yeah, yeah.
Then I took
Mm.
it as a motivation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there is something to more to learn. This
Mm-hmm.
is yeah, like that I took motivation and I have started my to prepare for the wings journey.
Winston.
Yeah,
So
like
now, so I will ask you, first we start with articulation and then we will go to the other business skill or innovator tools and finally technical tracks. Okay?
yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. So how was your articulation journey and how you get passed or distinction in the articulation?
Yeah, actually, to be coming
Mm.
to articulation, it was very difficult journey for
Mm-hmm.
articulation because
Okay.
the articulation, I believe there should be some luck
Mm.
compared to other tracks because English should be there. If
Mm.
it follow means or some other technological tracks or big skills also is fine.
Mm.
We can clear it with some knowledge, but articulation is very difficult journey.
Okay.
What happened was I have cleared teeth follow long and business skills long ago, but
Mm-hmm.
articulation I was trying for two times
Mm-hmm.
and still not cleared.
Okay.
Yeah, I have prepared best because I have cleared everything except articulation.
Mm-hmm.
But I was worried that it's not at all getting cleared. But
Okay.
again, I didn't lose hope and gave a try again.
Mm.
Then they got distinction directly
Okay.
in the
Yeah.
third time.
In
Yeah.
the third time. So you previously you have tried for two cycles.
Yeah, yeah, two
Uh,
cycles. I full preparation I have tried.
mm, mm, mm.
Yeah,
So our subscribers and viewers also very worrying on the articulation. So many people, I am also heard from my team, and many people have told me that articulation is very tough. So the approach is following their percentile approach, right?
yes, yes.
Like
You
Okay.
continue.
Yeah. So if there are 100 people are going in the percentile, what happen is that for 100 people, if you get 70 people got, for example, let us consider 100 marks. 100 people are
Yeah,
going to write. So
yeah.
if the 70 people got the 46 marks, then 46 is the 70 percentile. Like that, it will be considered. So in that we need to get the distinction or pass. We need to be competent with the others. So our marks should be greater than and reach the cutoff marks. Yeah,
What you
go.
told is exactly right because,
Mm,
and also in articulation result, one time I have seen that my friend
okay.
got distinction in
Mm-hmm.
articulation result. The next day he checked the result, it was pass.
Oh, why it
That
is?
means
Uh,
the cutoff which you told, right?
yes,
They
yes.
have revised it again.
Mm-hmm.
It was that difficult
Yeah,
passing
yeah.
articulation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So not only articulation, now in November 2024 5 cycle, all the tracks will be following this approach only.
Yes, yes.
Mm-mm. So
Correct.
articulation, yeah, yeah. So how the topics articulation, I mean, what are the resources you have followed? Any brief on that?
Yeah, I will definitely tell you.
Mm,
Actually,
mm.
I have first two times I have written articulation, right?
Yes.
Then I have followed so many resources from YouTube and all. I
Mm.
have gone through YouTube. There are so many YouTube channels.
Yes.
Your YouTube channel is there, and
Oh.
so many were there. I was going through everything
Mm, mm.
because that is the only thing left to clear.
Mm.
So at any cost, I have to go through all resources. So I
Yes.
went through
Mm.
yours,
Mm. Mm.
and some form fully YouTube channel is there.
Okay.
In that YouTube channel, so many articulations questions will be there. But while
Mm-hmm.
reading through them, I always
Mm.
have a doubt. The
Mm.
questions were right or wrong. The answer given by YouTuber might be right or wrong.
Mm. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
It's not his mistake. But
Mm.
actually, because he might have prepared long ago for
Mm.
articulation,
Mm.
now again he have to validate, and keeping the resources itself is a big task for the any YouTuber.
Yeah.
But we will have a doubt that
Mm.
what I have done to clear
Mm.
articulation. I have, after failing 2 times,
Mm.
that I have collected all the answers,
Mm.
and in Ultimatics there is a course, right, for
Mm.
articulation. I
Mm.
appeared for that exam.
Uh-huh.
Uh, regularly I have appeared and checked
Okay.
the answers given by the YouTubers.
Mm-hmm.
That way I have found the correct answers.
Okay. So one query I have here, like what
Yeah.
I mean in the course, what it will be live course or what it may be?
It's a general articulation
In one five
AOA
two zero.
15205 only, but we
Mm.
have to loop in through the articulation courses. There will
Mm-hmm.
be a loop, right? Part 1,
Mm.
part
Mm.
2.
Mm. Mm. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, there will be only one assessment, final assessment course for articulation.
Okay.
Yeah,
Last one, right?
I think so. It's the
Okay.
last one. Hmm.
Mm. Mm.
In
Okay.
that course, if you regularly practice,
Mm.
you will, after and at the end of the course, you will be checking the marks which you got.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So the
Hmm.
questions will random, right? One day questions will not come, another day. Am I right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, okay. So that we can catch the lot many MCQs on that on there.
yes, yes, correct.
Okay, okay. This is very valuable insight from you. Very appreciation. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you,
Okay.
Navya.
Okay, okay. Continue.
Yeah, like that, by giving this exam regularly, if you
Mm,
are able to clear the exam, you will get confidence that the
mm,
answers which you are seeing in internet or somewhere are
mm,
correct.
mm.
Yeah, I
Okay.
have prepared some list of good answers which will help your subscribers. I
Yeah.
will send it to you.
Okay, okay.
And
Approach.
also, we
Mm.
have, main thing is we have to go to YouTube comments also,
Mm-hmm.
because if there is any correction in the answers, they will
Mm.
help. They will definitely tell you.
Uh-huh. So
Yeah.
after watching the video, below comments are there. We need to check comments also.
Yes.
If the video has any mistakes by chance. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Because the people who watch video will be preparing for wings, then they
Mm.
know that they might know correct answer.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah.
Right thing. This is the okay.
Yeah, but I
Mm.
have seen your videos. Your
Mm.
articulation videos have very few questions, but
Mm.
the
Mm.
answers were right.
Okay,
And there
okay.
was important questions which you have kept in your channel.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you so much. Haha.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. I
I
have
have
also.
seen most of the times in
Mm-hmm.
exams. Three
Mm-hmm.
times I
Mm-hmm.
have given articulation. Your
Okay.
questions were mostly repeated.
Okay, okay, great, great. This is yeah. So our subscribers and viewers also go to. I will give you in the description my our playlist of articulation. So Shankar, recently I have did 2 videos for articulation also, which are helpful for the next November May cycle 2025. So I will recommend that one also for our viewers. Okay, now
Yeah, that's great. Yeah.
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 Okay, okay. Now we can go ahead. So articulation is done, or we have you have any other insights on this?
Yeah, the thing is, mostly we have to, for
Mm,
not only by heart the answers.
mm,
The way you have to observe is, I have by hearted the answers for first 2 times, and
okay.
I was not even able to pass. The
Mm-hmm.
thing is, we have to observe the technique, like
Mm,
how, because if we are able to see 3 questions, how the pattern of the questions are answered. The
okay.
pattern, if you are able to crack, then
Mm,
you can crack the articulation in first time. That I
okay.
was always by hurting the answers,
Mm-hmm.
and that was the mistake I have done. So if you have to crack the pattern, how
Mm,
each question is being answered, because they're very confusing.
Mm-hmm. So the questions are also like the natural situation based questions, current scenario based questions like that coming, right?
Yeah, yeah, correct.
Okay, okay. So,
Situation
mm,
based questions are coming,
mm,
but there will be multiple choice now.
mm-hmm,
The main problem with articulation is multiple
mm,
choice answers.
okay.
Each answer will look you satisfying only,
Mm-hmm.
but
So,
yeah,
yeah, go
this
ahead,
is
go
the
ahead.
problem.
Mm,
Yeah, each answer, for suppose there will be four answers.
mm,
Four answers, you will think four will be confusing you.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
All will
Yeah.
look you correct only.
Mm-hmm,
So you have to crack the pattern how everyone are going to answer the questions. Then
mm-hmm.
you can easily crack it.
For articulation.
Yeah, yeah,
So our viewers, I have in my most of the in my videos the comments if we select for example three multiple set questions are there. So one
Mhm.
question, three multiple checkboxes are there. If if the associate put two right answers, I mean
Mm.
in the if the checkboxes are if the one of the selected checkbox is wrong, then it will consider or it will reject the question answer.
Yeah, they will definitely reject it because
Mm-hmm.
that's
Mm.
what making articulation so difficult. When we
Okay.
are writing exam in Ultimatics, right?
Mm-hmm.
I have tried the same which you told. I have
Okay.
kept two checkboxes correct
Mm-hmm.
and I missed one.
Okay.
Wantedly I did it. And I
Oh,
checked
okay.
the marks, it was
Uh-huh.
failing. So the
Okay.
main exam will be designed the same way.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So if
Mm.
you missed any one thing, it will fail.
So no partial marking is there here.
Yeah, no partial marking. All should
Mm-hmm.
be correct because
Mm. Mm.
if there are three multiple choice answers correct, the
Okay.
marking of the question is high, so they
Mm-hmm.
won't give you partial marks.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Nowadays they have strictened the exams also, like a percentile approach. So in previous days, what happened is that for 38 MCQs, if you get any 20, I mean like a percentage based approach, all the associate, most of the associate got this minimum marks and they will pass the exam. But
Hmm.
nowadays they are restricting these exams.
Yes, and also the main thing is
Mm.
when you write the exam, you
Mm-hmm.
have to search everywhere
Mm.
in the question
Mm.
because there will in the question they will mention two answers correct
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
in the bracket. Then you
Okay.
should select two options only. It will give you maximum luck. You have
Mm-hmm.
to go through the question. If their question they are telling four correct options by
Mm.
mistake, then
Mm-hmm.
you mostly for four correct options they won't tell. But
Mm-hmm.
for three correct options they will tell na. So
Mm-hmm.
in the bracket of the question they will mark three correct answers. Then you can directly mark the three correct answers. Last
Okay.
time this has happened with articulation.
Mm-hmm. So I have
It's
one
very
quick
helpful.
question here. Like
Hmm.
in the four are correct, I mean four, you can select any four like that there. So only four are right in the provided six options. I mean, for example, one question is there, six checkbox answers are there. So in
Hmm.
that,
Yeah.
select any three.
Yes. Then
Uh,
three answers will be correct in that
uh-huh.
question.
Okay,
In
okay.
like
The,
Wings is helping the
hmm.
writer of the exam to
Mm-hmm,
select
mm-hmm.
only three answers.
Okay, okay. This is somewhat beneficial for our viewers, yes, associates.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
They have to go through question. Last time I have
Mm,
given cleared the articulation, right? There I
mm.
have seen in the question itself.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Three questions mark only three options like that
Ah,
only
yes, yes.
they will
Ah,
get a hint.
okay, okay. So this is a nice hint. Ah, okay. So the viewers, we need to set only if the selected question has only mark as three. So you need to click on three. Don't go with two, with four like that. Yeah. Okay, Shankar, this is a great insight. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, that's it for
Mm,
articulation.
okay, okay.
I
So ne
told most of the
most
things.
of the stuff. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will briefly summarize these points. Like for articulation, we need to prepare hard. So there is percentile approach is there, and we need to go through the course 15205 course more times, and we need to give the last assessment as many times as possible. So there is no problem. If you once cleared the prerequisite, don't feel like I have cleared the prerequisite. If I in the second attempt I did not get the minimum score, then my past result will gone. So no, nothing is there like that. Am I right, Shankar?
Yes, Nazir.
Okay, okay. So like that thing, viewers, and other things as I and follow the other insights given by our Shankar. Okay, Shankar. So next thing, what I mean, you have did the unit external certification or any non-technical track?
I have done a technical track, that
Mm-hmm.
is T12 Selenium track.
T12 Selenium track. Okay. T12 Selenium track. Okay. Can you briefly and broadly explain how to clear T12 Selenium?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Mm.
Previously, it used to be T12 Selenium track. I think now it's automation track.
Mm-hmm.
Like they previously,
Mm.
only if we clear Selenium, you will get pass or distinction. But now
Mm.
there is MCQ round
Mm-hmm.
for three technologies in automation. That is Night Watch.
Okay.
Next one is Selenium.
Mm-hmm.
Next one is Cucumber.
Mm-hmm.
In
Okay.
MCQ exam, you will be getting these three
Okay.
questions of these three topics.
Mm-hmm.
After you clear this MCQ exam, there
Mm-hmm.
will be a technical exam. If for all tracks, it's same, right? First
Hands-on.
MCQ round, yeah.
It is.
Next hands-on round,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
yeah. In the hands-on round, it will be for Selenium and Cucumber.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for Selenium, anyway, I think most of the people will be knowing. We
Mm.
have to mostly they will combine two concepts to make it exam difficult. That
Mm-hmm.
is either window handling and frames.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they will be giving calendar events.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, mostly these are the difficult. They will combine two topics to make it difficult.
Mm-hmm.
When I given T12 exam, I didn't have Cucumber.
Mm-hmm.
But last time I came to know that
Mm.
Cucumber also is there in
So,
hands-on.
so in hands-on, like selenium, cucumber, all the combos are there. And
Yes,
so
Night Watch will be not there for
night
hands-on.
watch will be not there for hands-on.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Another quick question here is like how much time duration and how many test cases or what the process for the hands-on?
Yeah, this is very good question.
Mm.
There will be 16 test cases for hands-on. There will
Okay.
be 16 test cases. I think 1 hour of time frame will be given.
Mm-hmm.
The main headache will come because the exam will be loaded in VM, the
Mm-hmm.
hands-on exam. The
Okay.
VM issues, half an
Mm.
hour will be wasted.
Okay,
For
okay.
opening the VM itself, it
Mm.
will take 20 minutes, and for
Okay.
reading the question after opening the VM, it will take 10 minutes.
Okay.
And immediately you have to start scripting for the rest of the 40 minutes.
Okay. So for all the tracks, virtual machine is used. So viewers, for all the tracks, VM is used a virtual machine. So in the virtual machine environment, you will give the exam. So virtual machine has some issues. So you can contact the Shankar, what we say, like the person in the
Yeah, yeah.
in the exam room.
You can
You
say
can
invigilator. Yeah.
invigilator. You can contact the invigilator if your system is not, if you have facing any difficulties for writing the hands-on.
Once you are good with the launch of virtual machine,
Mm-hmm.
you have to launch your exam.
Okay.
Yeah, and then immediately after launching the exam, it will ask you to do some installations. By
Mm-hmm.
any chance, if you click no,
Mm.
then you can forget your exam,
Oh.
because again you won't find that installation pop up.
Mm-hmm.
You have to definitely install if it asks for pop up. That's the mistake happened for me for one time.
Okay,
Again, if
okay.
you relaunch the VM, if you did not see the installation pop up, you
Mm.
will be suffering a lot.
Okay. So, softwares, all the required software are not pre-installed in the VM.
You're right.
Okay, okay. So viewers and associates, first click on the install all the necessary pop-ups which you have seen in the exam. So don't skip away this step. So thanks, Shankar. So this is very one most important thing you need to remember while in the for first time. So it is very useful for the first time people going to hands-on. So must check this step. Okay, Shankar, you go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. Once
Mm-hmm.
you will be opening mostly Visual Studio Code for T12. There
Mm-hmm.
also it will ask some installations. We will be installing all the necessary modules.
Okay.
Yeah, because the problem is if you did not install, you will not find, even you import, if you write import statement, you will not find that the code is running. Or for example, if you are coding in any compiler, it will give you automatic suggestions, right? If
Mm-hmm.
you install only, you will get those automatic suggestions. So installation is very important.
Yes, yes. Okay. Great, great. Okay, so for MCQs, for this T12 and other, so how many MCQs are there and duration of the exam?
Yeah, I think it was very long ago. I have written, I think, for
Mm.
30 to 40 MCQs will be there. I think
Okay, okay.
30 MCQs will be there. Maybe they will be dividing between Nightwatch, Cucumber, and Selenium
Mm-hmm.
for these
So
30.
for this 30 questions, so how the time frame duration?
Duration, I think 1 hour will be given.
1 hour will be
40
given.
minutes to 1 hour will be given.
40 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, okay. Time sufficient. Okay, okay. So 30 questions. Time is as you specified the time. Shankar specified the time. 40 to 1 hour.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So any other things we need to remember? So associates we need to remember. So any topics, important topics you have already discussed today.
Yeah, the
Uh,
important.
mm,
Yeah, you have to even write. You have to even learn JavaScript, because actually it will be writing exam in Java, Selenium Java. I have written in Selenium Java,
mm-hmm.
but if any by any chance if click command is not working in Java, it's better to learn some JavaScript commands for who
Mm-hmm.
are writing T12.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And
So,
also other all the commands like
mm,
related to WebDriver.
mm,
They will be giving some functions. In each function,
mm,
some module of code should be executing. So
mm-hmm.
you for writing those functions, you have to be thorough in
Mm.
Selenium topics. Yeah.
Selenium topics. Okay, okay. Very good. We have good knowledge of the. We require good knowledge of the Selenium topics.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. Nice, nice.
Yeah,
Mm.
in Fresco Play there is a course of Selenium.
Okay.
Like for T12, there will be. I think it is mandatory for attending exam also.
Mm-hmm.
You should complete the prerequisite, right?
Oh, okay, okay. So,
Yeah.
so that course is very helpful, I guess. Am I right? For
Actually,
clearing.
not that much helpful in terms of topics and preparation, but in terms of launching VM
Mm-hmm.
and installations, it will be helpful. You were like while writing exam, it will be easy for you
Okay,
if you.
okay.
Yeah, because topics anyhow we have to learn all topics. In
Mm-hmm.
exam, in prerequisite the courses will be very less topics covered in hands-on
Mm-hmm.
practice. Yeah.
Okay. So all the viewers, like you need to go through the whatever the courses had in the inbuilt of the iWall. So must go through that because there is some important resources there in that how to launch a virtual machine, how to catch the exam like that things are there. So must go through the internal already provided courses. Okay, okay, Shankar.
Yeah.
So we are fine with the. We have any other things we need to discuss in the technology.
I think T12 track, I almost cleared the important topics required for
Topics.
learning. Yeah,
Mm,
I will be
so,
updating you if I find anything important. I
yeah,
will
sure. I
share
will
with
add.
you.
Okay, I will add it. Okay. So, any resources you want to share with us?
I think for T12, we can go through directly learn from it's our own knowledge like YouTube.
Mm, okay.
And like direct concepts we can learn and we can go to exam.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I don't know how it might be different for other tags, but the
Mm,
T12 with general knowledge only, like
mm,
general studying only, I have cleared the exam.
mm-hmm. Okay,
Yeah,
okay. Great, great.
no, didn't went through any specific resources.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, generally I read the syntax because syntax is very important. In
Mm-hmm.
if we are coming to Java, a
Mm,
small spelling mistake, we will lose the syntax. So I have by
mm-hmm.
hearted all the syntaxes. I have written it all the syntaxes, and I went prepared for exam and was able to clear.
Okay, very nice. So, okay. Now, in the step two. So, in the step two, what you have selected, you
Yeah,
have. Okay, please.
I have cleared business skills in that
Business skill one or two?
business skills two. I think two.
Oh, okay, oh, great, great. That is the okay, yeah, easy and the best one.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, yeah, please
Uh,
go ahead about it. Yeah.
Yeah, in business skills too, I have cleared without any preparation. Directly prepared for exam and I was able to clear it
In first attempt only.
in first attempt only.
Okay, very nice. So I mean, in first attempt, business skill will there is a chance to clear business skill two.
Yeah, I don't know how the exam toughness, if they have increased it now. At that time,
Mm,
I was
mm,
able to clear with my
mm, mm.
general understanding.
Gender understanding.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. Now, shall we go to the in-depth of the topics? What are the topics are there? What we need to focus like that?
yeah, sure. Okay, you are asking for whole tracks or whole wings.
No, no, just business skill two only.
Okay, business skill too.
Skill two, crack strategy. I mean, how to crack business skill two. How to get distinction in the business skill two for the
Okay,
fresher.
okay.
Yeah, like that.
I think we can go through the courses only in arithmetics. That will
Mm-hmm.
be enough, I think, and also some questions related to business etiquette.
Business etiquette. Okay.
Yeah, I think there
Mm-hmm.
will be some questions like how to eat something
Mm-hmm.
if you are in a
Mm-hmm.
meeting, how to eat when client is in front
Uh-huh.
of you, or how
Uh-huh.
to dress, the
Mm-hmm.
way of dressing, and
Workspace etiquettes. Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, correct.
Okay.
I,
Yeah, please go ahead.
I think these topics will be there. I
Mm-hmm.
don't, as I have cleared it long ago, I don't remember it.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
How I
okay.
wait for it. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So yeah, business English and basic and also as Shankar explained, the formal etiquettes like that questions will be there. It will be actually in the job roles also. This course is very helpful. Articulation
Yes,
and
yes.
this course.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I have seen most of the people clearing skills too
Mm-hmm. So
very
we can
easily. I think
very
it's a
easily.
good course. You can,
Mm-hmm.
if even if you have cleared it also, like even if you have cleared other tracks also, you can, for
Mm.
fun, you can give the business skills to exam.
Yeah, yeah. Fun also there is useful for the innovator roles.
Yeah, yeah, for fun. Correct, correct. It will be helpful, na.
Yes, yes,
Like
yes, yes.
simply not like you can directly attempt for exam and try your luck with your
Mm-hmm.
own knowledge. It will help
Mm-hmm.
for innovator by some.
Yeah, so you haven't did it. I mean, you haven't did the external unit external certification, right?
No, no.
Okay.
Luckily, I was able to clear the
Mm,
technology track and
This
didn't do
business
any
skill too.
certificate.
Yeah, very nice, very great.
I
So,
actually completed a GCP course.
okay.
Yeah,
So,
but at
the,
the time
mm,
I'm tried to upload the certificate,
mm,
there were many rules increased for GCP course suddenly.
mm-hmm.
They
Okay.
told even if you have cleared the GCP certificate, you have to give exam in TCS again.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So I was not that much interested in giving that exam again in TCS even after
Mm,
clearing certificate. So
mm.
directly went to better to give technology track and
Yeah,
I
yeah.
tried it.
Mm-hmm. So you have chosen the good decision, like by opting business skill too. So like,
Yeah.
so you have you have actually have started a backup also, backup and a main one. Yeah, okay, very
Yes,
nice.
yes.
Yeah,
Correct.
very nice. So
Mm.
associates must have backup like business skill too. If you are going through technical certification also, do business skill too. Study for the business skill too. It is useful for the innovator also in the future also.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, that's correct.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shankar, is there anything we can discuss? Whole wings.
Yeah, I want to all your subscriber to take it as motivation. Like even
Mm-hmm.
even if the wings is cracking is difficult, you
Mm,
might be hearing from your colleagues that it
mm,
is difficult. You can see
mm,
people are still cracking it.
yes, yes.
You should not leave it, like you can give
Mm,
it a chance. Why?
mm,
Instead
mm,
of depending on the project, you can
mm,
improve yourself by clearing wings and get some motivation.
yeah.
Yeah, you I want your subscribers to take the motivation and more people to write wings.
Mm,
So many have decreased gradually. You can see
mm,
now.
mm,
Yeah, they have feared. They have a lot of fear, and
mm.
mostly they have stopped registering for wings also.
Oh,
I
oh, oh, they
want.
are demotivated.
Yeah, yeah, you are right.
Okay, okay. So don't demotivate. After, I mean, it is a better chance to upgrade ourselves to the better compensation. So all the viewers and all subscribers must try this time. May cycle. Shankar, there is a band and rating criteria is also there, right?
Yeah,
Uh,
minimum is A or B band for wings.
Mm-hmm. And
Yeah,
yeah, and the
this
ratings.
completely depends on project and manager.
Mm-hmm. So you need to comply with your manager also. Yeah, like that
Yeah.
for writing wings one. So another thing is after getting the digital cadre also, you need to after till getting the C2 promotion, you need to maintain the A or B band.
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay, okay. So after if you done 2 or 3 years of experience, then must try for the promotion to C2 grade. Then your Wings One incentive will be merged to that the newly acquired promotion. Then you are safe. If you get C band after the promotion, then no problem in that.
Yes, yes, correct. You are right.
Uh,
Once
uh,
it's once
mm,
the elevate incentive is merged into your compensation as a normal package salary,
mm,
then you
mm.
are completely safe.
Yeah, yeah, that's a great thing.
Yeah.
Another thing is if you got digital and by mistakenly the band will slip to C grade, then definitely reject the band. And if after rejecting also they are not changing, then this time that 1 year must try hard and get the B band. If you get in the next year immediately, then again the Elliott Wings incentive will be resumed. So if you have facing this issue, must try to improve yourself and get the B band in the next cycle.
Yes, yes, you are right.
Uh,
Actually, I
mm,
too feel that why it's
mm,
linked to band because a person is working so much hard to clear
mm.
wings.
Yeah,
Why they
yeah,
are
yeah.
linking it to band? At least
Band.
this rule
Mm,
should
mm.
be changed.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
This rule
maybe
is. Mm,
yeah. Any person there might be there who might have taken loan after getting
mm,
wing salary,
mm,
and
mm,
again he will be
mm.
getting C band. Then how
Uh,
will we survive?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
TCS should definitely think of it.
Yes, yes, it is, yes, yeah, because the salary will be back to previous one. So this is
Mm.
very injustice for the associates. Yeah, teachers must consider this one. So yeah, so better to for now they are not having changed the rules. So follow the try to if you have definitely 2+ years experience, then must try for the promotion.
But subscribers don't worry that regarding
Mm,
bands and all.
mm,
You can try for your own confidence because
mm,
there most of if once you got wings, most
mm,
managers won't will take it as a reason and will survive your brand.
mm,
They don't
mm,
direct if you tell you have wings, they don't directly give you C band.
mm,
There
mm,
will be very few cases
mm,
regarding your work and manager, but most cases
mm.
they will at least try to give B band because you have wings.
Yeah, yeah.
Because you have to intimate them, you should not get wings and you should not be silent. You should tell
Mm,
them that I have got wings, so
mm,
band is very important to me, so
mm,
at least you have to drop an email if you are
mm,
in doubt.
mm,
Beforehand you have to drop an email to your
mm, yeah.
manager so
Mm,
that
mm,
in future he might tell your manager might tell I forgot like that, so
mm,
your
mm,
you will be having a mail confirmation in your hand that you
mm,
have intimated that you have wings.
mm, mm, mm,
So don't
yeah,
worry about bands and try for wings.
yeah, yeah. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So first of all, if you clear the wings one, must definitely this inform to your manager, with respect to manager, and try hard in the project also. So you will definitely get the A or B band. No worries on that. Okay, Shankar, anything we can discuss? We can.
Yeah, and I want to tell one more thing. In
Yeah, sure, sure.
Nazir
Mm.
YouTube channel, there will be a link where you can contact him. If you
Yeah,
are feeling
top
any
it.
demotivated, you
uh,
can you can
mm,
use that link and you can contact to Nazir. He will then a link
mm,
will meeting link will be generated to the email.
mm,
You can request to then you can join the meeting. He will be helping you like how to start your journey
yeah, yeah.
and all. Yeah,
Mm,
you can
okay.
take help from him.
Okay, okay. Yeah, great, Shankar. Yeah, I will give you in the description my connecting link on TopMed. If you have any queries, general queries also, you can connect with me. Thank you, Shankar. Thank you for coming our channel and sharing your valuable insights. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah, thank you, Nazir.
Mm, mm.